So today marks the first video in a series of videos, a new series of videos. Well, I hope it's going to be a new series of videos, but this is going to be the location. I hope it is going to be an interesting series. I don't know, I enjoy working with my hands and quite a practical person, so I thought, why not do something that I like doing, and what a better place than to do it in my garage. So the first thing we're going to do, I needed to sort the garage out. Normally the car is kind of parked here, it's actually outside. I've got a whole lot of tools already. They're all kind of packed away over there in a cupboard, but they not much use in a cupboard, so I want to hang them all up. And I've actually already started the renovation, whatever you want to call it, as you can see over here. So we've got a tool board, we've got another board on the left or the right. I'll see when I'm editing the video. The other side, we've got some ladders. Those are going to disappear. Gone. So what we're going to do is put another board up on this wall. We're also going to put a board on this wall. And I'm thinking a whiteboard over there and a little computer section, so when I need to do some research, I don't have to go upstairs. I can just do the research here. We'll get rid of that bin. The compressor, well, the compressor fits nicely in the corner, but it's quite a noisy thing, so I'll probably leave it in the corner and then wheel it outside when I need to use it. Just run the air line back in. Also maybe tidy up a little bit of this rubbish. Got some old aeroplanes and fishing rods. This was actually a bottle rocket that I made. Made a few of them, they worked really well. Got the idea of YouTube. Maybe I'll do a video about that sometime. This is going to be the space. Oh, hang on. Also, I've got this little area at the back. It's got a whole lot of tools, drill press, welder, another compressor, a gas bottle in a rubbish bin. Probably get rid of that. This is where all of the action is going to happen over the next couple of weeks, months, years, I don't know, we'll see. Looks like I've got a visitor. Hey Lexi. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Oh, okay. She's going inside. Come back. I don't know how often these videos are going to come out. Well, I'll try and put out a video every week, waiting for a car. That's going to be the new space. Hope you enjoy it. I'm hoping to get all of the stuff sorted out today, and hopefully tomorrow we can make our first creative video. Build something here in the garage on a workbench. The next step in the little garage build is to get this board cut up into the correct sizes so that they can be mounted on the walls out that side. One done, one to go. Yeah. The two new tool boards up. I think it's time to have a little bit of a cleanup and then start hanging the tools. Quite a lot of the tools put up already. I've still got a few screwdrivers to put up, and well, actually there's quite a lot more tools to put up, as you can see by all the space. I think this board is going to be full, and I'll start having to move on to one of those two boards. I've still got another couple of power tools, so I'm just trying to decide whether to put them up or not. All going well so far. day one of the build. Got a few more tools up, all the screwdrivers, the Allen keys, a little tool set that I had, a couple of other small odds and ends. I've still got another couple of things to sort of put up in the empty space, but overall it's been pretty good. I also got up some stuff on this side. I managed to get up my computer screen, well, the screen, and there's a small computer behind it, so it's going to be good for research and playing music in the background, that type of thing. Little whiteboard. Some of these big tools I don't really use them very much, but I thought they'd be quite cool to put up on the wall. I don't often see big tools like that. All looking good. I think tomorrow we'll get some of the other small clips, gadgets and other things up on the wall at the back here, and yeah, we'll just see where it goes. How awesome is this shirt? I made this by myself here at home. What I'll do is in another video I'll show you the process about how I did it, and how I pressed the vinyl, how I cut it out, well, not really where I got it from. I went to a shop and bought it. But yeah, that should be an upcoming video. It'll be one of the hopefully many videos that I get done.